Hey, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a collection on the new PATRICKSTARRR Me So Chic and Me So Fleek look. So I couldn't decide which one I wanted, so I'm going to do one on this side and the other one on this side. I kind of stumbled on PATRICKSTARRR recently because I'm new to this makeup game and I felt like he worked really hard for his success and I wanted to support him, so I ended up getting both of them. We are going to do it on both sides and see which one I like better. I feel like I'm both type of girls. Like sometimes I feel like I'm super fleeky and bitchy, and then sometimes I could be cute. I could be. Trust me. If you guys are interested in checking out what these two look like, stick around and let's have some fun. Find out if you are Me So Chic or Me So Fleek. Let's get started. I already started on my foundation, my concealer, my baking, and my eyebrows. I wanted to speed up the process so I can go straight into the eyeshadow and the whole collection. All right, so I'm gonna open this up and see what it looks like. So the packaging for Me So Chic is a nice purple color. And that one came with nothing. It is okay. Maybe that was just stuffing to make everything, you know, fit in here so it doesn't move around or break. So here we have the nice, nicely drawn or printed piece of paper that shows the makeup look and color. And let's see what it says on the back. Spring into fierceness and blossom into your own beauty. Live your floral fantasy. XOXO PATRICKSTARRR. And then let's dig in to see what else is in here. Okay, this has something. We got two lipsticks. One is a gloss. I'm not really a fan of gloss, but I'm gonna try it out and see if it works on me. Gloss sometimes make my lips so big and greasy. I just don't like it when I'm out and about and my hair gets caught on my lips. So here is the other one. This is the lipstick, Sweet Mama Star. And the gloss is Mama Star Kiss. So far I like the design. I don't know if he actually drew these designs and they printed on it for him, but it's really pretty and I like the way it feels as well. Pretty, pretty pink. Moving on to eyeshadows. Once again, same design with his signature on there. And in this collection, we have a lot of purple colors. Purple and pinkish. Next up is this is really pretty. The colors, I'm still like loving it. This one is the I'm Not Blushing Powder Blush Duo. So that is Me So Chic, and now I'm moving on to Me So Fleek. Once again, we have this empty one. It's probably good for packaging. And another one of these. This is very vibrant. I think this is much more like colorful and a more vavoom look. So a lot of people, if you are into the natural, then this is probably not for you. This collection also has two lipsticks. This one is a lip gloss. This is a lipstick. This is called Hey Boy Hey. Hey. And then this one is called Queen P. I'm assuming that's Queen Patrick. Then we have, what's in this goodie bag? Eyeshadow for this collection, and it's called Play With Me. Okay. I guess I'll play with you today. Last, we have the same thing as the other collection, but in a different tone, I'm assuming. This is called Take Me Home. Okay, this Me So Fleek names, they're kind of raunchy. It's kind of like one of those girls where you like take home, but not marry. Let's move on to the eyeshadows. I already started on my makeup. I did my foundation, my concealer, and my eyebrows just to get everything off camera so we can move into the eyeshadows quickly. I'm going to start on this side using this Stay With Me palette right here. More of the purple tones. I'm going to go into this color right here. This is the lightest and it's going to be my transitioning color into the hollows of my eyes. Blow it off, starting off slow and building it up. This is a very nice mauve color, I feel like. Circular motion, back and forth, back and forth. I am using the S142 brush, Hakuhoru. Moving into this MAC brush, not sure what the name is because it's from a long time ago and they don't seem to have it on here. So it looks like this, super thin. I'm gonna go into this color right here this darker color and then smoke out my eyes with this brush. Then going into this color right here, I'm gonna grab my S127 brush and then lay it on my eyelids. This is pretty. It's a nice pink color and it also has a tint of sheen, shimmer, slightly. Then going back in with this brush, I'm gonna grab this color right here and then define a little bit more into the hollows of my eyes right here. And then blend it out upwards and pull it out here as well. Go underneath and also give some color. Let it shine through. Since it's a nice purple color, I want to give it some love. Going back into this color right here, using my S127 brush, I'm going to give me a nice pink highlight right there, midway of my inner eyes on the bottom. This kind of reminds me of a long time ago when I did this makeup look on a music video for Asia. If you guys watch that, it's like that Set Me Free song back in like dinosaur years, 2003. Yeah, this was a look that I did for that video. All right, so going to move on to the other eye and use the Play With Me. You can see that this is way more out there than this one right here. This is very neutral tones and kind of sweet, soft, safe. This is more like I'm gonna come get you right here. Going in with this color right here, using my S142 brush, same thing like I did on the other side, just kind of give me that transitioning color, the base in the hollows of my eyes. Using my S127 brush, I'm going to go into this color right here. It's also a nice, pretty, shimmery color. What I'm seeing in his collection is that there are 3 mattes and 1 shimmer. So I'm gonna put this color on my lids once again. That's also a very pretty color. I think as I'm using his palettes, I think I like this color the best. Moving on to this color right here, very pretty blue color. I'm going to grab this brush and smoke underneath my eyes just to bring that pop of color, add some fleekness here. Then I'm gonna go into this bright pink color right here with my S127 brush, give some extra definition in the outer corners of my eyes right here. Gonna wing it out, give me that extra fleekness that it's supposed to be for this look. My foot is falling asleep. Oh my gosh, my foot is asleep right now. I can't even do anything. I have no idea why I sit in such a contorted position for a long time until my body tells me to move it, move your feet, or we're gonna start numbing up. Here you have it. One eye is me So Chic. This is me So Fleek. I'm gonna align my eyes on top and on bottom and I'll be right back. I'm back now. I went ahead and did my mascara and also my eyelashes using the Poupée eyelashes. Poupée. Also went ahead and wiped off my baking powder and did a little bit of contouring because we are not doing a makeup tutorial. We are focusing more on the PATRICKSTARRR collection. So moving on to the I'm Not Blushing. Going to go ahead and blush this side. I think this belongs on this side. I'm not blushing. Grabbing my S110 brush, going into both colors, just swirling it around. This one has a lot of, it's coming off very easy, so not sure if I like that. Okay. That was a lot. I went a heavy hand because I love blush. I want to look super clowny. Okay, even though the blush came off a lot on this, I feel like it does apply very easy, so that's a good thing. It's just a little bit messy here. So, dang it, I put it on the wrong side. Let's do that again. Redo. I'm going to do the Take Me Home on this side. I put the wrong color on the on my cheek, so we're gonna redo that again. Okay, so this one doesn't seem like it's coming off as much as the other one, so And now, moving on to this one. This is called I'm Not Blushing. On this side is more of a cooler color, and this one's more like a peachy, brighter, girly color. They're both very pretty, and I think this one has less fallout than this one. This one is coming off a lot, but they're both pretty nonetheless. Let's move on to lips. For lips, I'm going to use the Hey Boy Hey on this side right here. Make sure it's right, the right side. And then on this side, I'm going to be using the color Mama Star. Okay, there you have it. Topping off this side with the Mama Star Kiss Gloss. And then moving on to the other side using Queen P. This one's a really pretty color. Alright, so definitely the glosses do intensify the colors a little bit more, give it more life, it's more vibrant. I think that is it for the whole collection. I'm gonna go in and add some highlights because it doesn't really come with the collection, and I feel like I need some highlights in my inner corner of my eyes. I'm gonna go and highlight with something else and be right back. Highlighter is a must. Definitely needed that highlighter. Give me some life, some glow. I'm surprised that he didn't have it in his collection. I figured at least an eye glaze in the inner corners or something, but it's okay. I also went ahead and got myself a MAC Prep and Prime Fix Goldlite to add some glitter, extra glitz and glam. And I'm gonna spray this all over my face to seal everything together. Shower me in gold glitter. Alrighty, here are my final thoughts. These two palettes are very nice, highly pigmented, and for the Stay With Me, let's make sure it's the right one. Yes, Stay With Me. It's a very soft look, but I feel like you can also build it up and make it more dramatic and make it fleek as well. It depends on how you apply it and if you have a heavy hand and the style and look you're going for. And for me, it's very pretty. All the colors that he chose, soft as well. And for the Play With Me, these three colors right here, you can play with it and also make it soft. So it's not really like a crazy dramatic difference in the both of them. I mean, it really depends on your application. Like, I know that I can create a look with this palette and make it super chic, and this one super fleek, just using the two different collections on each side, depending on what look I'm going for. Obviously, I didn't follow the guidelines of what they have on the cardboards right here. For this one, it had more blue on the eyelids. I wanted to create my own look and come up with something I'm comfortable with. I didn't want to be too dramatic because if it's, for me personally, if it's too blue, then it kind of takes away from the lips, and the lips are very, very bright, so I want to give attention to that area. And for this one, it's much more soft and subtle. I went a little bit of a heavy hand because I'm just so used to a more like dramatic full look. As far as these two looks, this one is innocent, but she can definitely become like fleek, chic, and a little bitchy. And same with this one. With the colors and the collection, you can always turn this girl, this bitchy girl, into a nice girl. So for me, I think that I can be both looks. I can be super, super nice, but when you get on my nerves and like do something, try to cut me, then I can turn into this one right here. So watch out. I hope you guys like this makeup experiment. Let me know what your thoughts are. Do you like this side more or this side more? For me personally, I can rock both because I'm a chameleon. I'm a chameleon. Pricing for each collection is $49.50, so I think it's a good deal because MAC is, it's not like too expensive, but it's not too, you know, cheap. So I think it's right in the middle. It has good quality, applies really well, and I think he did a great job. He did a really great job picking out the colors and trying to cater to two different types of women, or one if you're just like me and can rock both looks. But if you are bougie and you want to spend some money on yourself and buy both, like me, then you can definitely work with a lot of these colors. You can use this with this collection, and then vice versa. Mix and match both lips, use it by itself. It has so many options for you to do, because makeup is basically you being creative, creating something. It's art, and whatever you do, it's always going to be a form of art that will be appreciated by people who love the arts. Okay, so, all right, so this is an A-OK approved by Minnie. Congrats to PATRICKSTARRR for your success, and hopefully you have more goodies for us in the future. Thank you. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Toodles. Toodaloos.